8th class student, exercise 1C, rational numbers, question number 3. Second part is minus 5 upon 8 plus minus 9 upon 13 is equal to minus 9 upon 13 plus minus 5 upon 8. यूज ओ ब्रैकेट प्लस इक्वल एंड प्लस minus 5 upon 8 minus 9 upon 13 minus 9 upon 13 and minus 5 upon 8. Remove the bracket. Minus 5 upon 8 plus minus minus 9 upon 13 equal minus 9 upon 13 plus minus 5 upon 8. Taking the LCM both sides. $104 is minus 5 into 13 9 into 8. LCM is 104 minus 9 into 13 divided by 1 and 4 is 8 minus 5 into 8 divided by 104. After multiply minus 13 5 is 65 minus 9 8 is 72. LCM it is same equal. LCM is same. Minus 9 8 is 72 minus 13 5 is 65. Both are minus. LCM it is same. 7 or 30 minus left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence proved. Third part is third part is third part 3 upon 3 plus minus 7 upon 12 equal minus 7 upon 12 plus 3. Put into bracket both sides. 3 upon 1 minus 7 upon 12 minus 7 upon 12 and 3 upon 1. Remove the bracket. 3 upon 1 plus minus 7 upon 12 is equal to minus 7 upon 12 plus into plus is equal to plus 3 upon 1 Taking the LCM, 1 and 12 is 12, 3 into 12 minus 7 into 12, 1 is 12, equal LCM is 12 and 1 is 12, minus 7 into 1, 12, 1 is 12, plus 3 into 1 divided by 12 is 12. After multiply 12, 3 is 36, minus 7, 1 is 7 upon 12, minus 7, 1 is 7 plus 12, 3 is 36. LCM is same. After minus 27 upon 12 equal 27 upon 12. Divide by 3, 9 upon 4. 9 upon 4 is equal to 9 upon 4. 3 4 is 12 and 3 9 is 27. Left hand side is equal to hands proved. Third part is complete. Fourth part is 2 upon minus 7 plus 12 upon minus 35 is equal to 12 upon minus 35 plus 2 upon minus 7. Put into bracket all rational number. 2 upon minus 7, 12 upon minus 35, 12 upon minus 35, 2 upon minus 7. At first, minus in denominator, rest the minus numerator. Bracket is minus 2 upon 7 plus minus 12 upon 35 minus 12 upon 35 plus minus 2 upon 7. Remove the bracket. 2 upon 7 minus plus minus minus 12 upon 35 is equal to minus 12 upon 35 plus minus minus 2 upon 7. Taking the LCM, 7 and 35 is 35, minus 2 into 7 5 is 35, minus 12 into 35 1 is 35 is equal to LCM 35 and 7 is 35, minus 12 into 35 divided 35 is 1, minus 2 into 7 divided by 35 is 5. After multiply, LCM it is same both sides. 5 2 is 10 minus 10 plus 12 1 is 12 minus 12 per minus 5 2 is 10. After plus minus 22 upon 35 equal minus 22 upon 35. Left hand side is equal to RHS, hence proved. Third question is complete. Fourth question is question number 4 is also verify first part. First part is bracket, small bracket, 3/4 plus minus 2/5, small bracket close, plus minus 7/10 is equal to 3/4 plus small bracket minus 2/5 plus minus 7/10. That is question. At first, plus minus 3/4 plus minus is 2/5 plus minus 7/10 is equal to 3/4 plus minus 2/5 plus minus 7/10. At first, solve the bracket. In bracket, take the LCM. 4 and 5 is 20. 3 into 5. After divide, 2 into 5, 4 ja 20, minus 7/10 and 3/4 plus, taking the LCM is 10. Minus 2 into 5 divided by 10 is 2. Minus 7 into 10 1 ja 10. LCM it is same. 5 3 ja 15. Minus 2 4 ja 8. Minus 7/10 is equal to 3/4 plus, LCM is same. 7 1 ja 7. 2 2 ja 4. After minus, 7/20 minus 7/10 is equal to 3/4 plus minus 11/10. Remove the bracket. 7/20 minus 7/10 is equal to 3/4 minus 11/10. Taking the LCM, 20. 7 into 1 minus 7 into 2 is equal to, LCM is 20. 3 into 4 divided by 20 is 5. Minus 11 into 10 2 ja 20. 7 minus 14 upon 20 is equal to 5 3 ja 15 minus 11 2 ja 22 upon 20 minus 7/20 is equal to minus 7/20. LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved. First part is complete. Second part is Second part, question number 4 is small bracket minus 7 upon 11 plus 2 upon minus 5 bracket close plus minus 13 upon 22 is equal to minus 7 upon 11 plus small bracket 2 upon minus 5 plus minus 13 upon 20. That is question. At first erase the minus from the denominator. Small bracket minus 7 upon 11, it is same, plus divide by minus is minus 2 upon 5 plus minus minus 13 upon 22 is equal to minus 7 upon 11 plus raise the denominator 5 plus minus minus 13 upon 22. Taking the LCM of bracket, outside it is same, minus 7 upon 11 plus LCM is 55, divide by 11, 7 into 5, 2 into 11, after divide by 5 by 55, LCM is 110, minus 2 into 24, minus 13 into 22, 5 ja 110. After multiply, LCM it is same, 7 5 ja 35, 11 2 ja 22, minus 13 upon 22, minus 7 upon 11 plus 110 LCM, 22 2 ja 44, minus 65. After plus, both are minus, minus 57 minus 13 upon 22 is equal to minus 7 upon 11 plus minus 110 LCM it is same, 9 and 0. Remove the bracket, minus 57 upon 55 minus 13 upon 22 is equal to minus 7 upon 11 plus minus minus 109 upon 110. LCM is 110, 57 into 2 minus 13 into 5, LCM is 10, 110, 7 into 10 minus 109. After multiply, 14 minus 65 upon 110 is equal to 110 minus 70 minus 109. After plus, both are minus, 179 upon 110 is equal to minus 179 upon 110. LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Question number 4, third part is complete. fourth part is fourth question -1 fourth part 1 -1 plus small bracket -2/3 plus -3/4 is equal to small bracket -1 plus -2/3 small bracket close plus -3/4 -1/1 plus -2/3 plus -3/4 is equal to -1/1 plus -2/3 plus -3/4. LCM of the plus 4 and 3 LCM is 12 minus 2 into 3 divided by 12 is 4 minus 3 into 4 divided by 12 is 3 is equal to LCM is 3 1 and 3/4 it is same minus 1 into 3 minus 2 into 3 1 ja 3 minus 1/1 plus minus 2 4 ja 8 3 3 ja 9 LCM it is same is equal to LCM is same minus 3 and minus 2 minus 3/4 it is same minus 1/1 plus after minus is 17/12 is equal to minus 2 and 3 is minus 5 minus 3/4 remove the bracket minus 1/1 plus minus 17/12 is equal to minus 5/3 minus 3/4. LCM take the both side is 1 and 12 is 12 minus 1 into 12 minus 17 into 1 is equal to LCM 3 and 4 is 12 minus 5 into 3 4 ja 12 minus 3 into 4 3 ja 12 12 1 ja 12 minus 17/12 minus 25 4 ja 20 and 3 3 ja 9/12 minus 29 after sum 29/12 left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence proved fourth portion is complete. Thank you.